All right, students, welcome to your first assignment, and that is sending a message on Jupyter. Some of you are familiar with Jupyter, some of you are not. When you log into Jupyter and click on messages, it will look kind of like this. Now notice this is my account, my teacher account, so it's going to look a little different. But basically, in this area, you are going to choose who you want to send your message to. I have a lot more options than you do. You will have just your main teachers. And then don't forget to include a subject. So our subject is going to be contact information. And you are going to send me a message with this information. So in order for us to have a positive distance learning experience, it's going to be really important that I have your contact information. That includes your parents' contact information. So you are going to see this document or this slide, and it has your name, your parents' name, their relationship to you. And so maybe you live with your mom or dad, maybe you live with your grandma, maybe you live with an aunt or uncle. I'd like to know that information. Also, what is the best way to contact them? Your home phone number, cell phone, work phone, all of these are really, really important. So I want you to include all of this information. That's the first part of your task. The second part of your task is going to be to attach a picture of your workspace. Because we're not in the classroom yet, you get the freedom to design your own desk space, your own workspace, and I want to see what that looks like. I want to make sure that you have a place that's yours where you can successfully get tasks done. So once you take a picture of that, you're going to click on this little clip, paper clip, and you have all of these options. So you can either take a picture. So if I click image, it's going to ask me to pull up an image. Mine's a little different because it's on my computer. Yours is probably going to be on an iPad or some other device, but you're going to upload a picture along with your information on how to contact you and your parents. So two things: contact information, a picture of your workspace. Once you've done that, you're going to click send. Once the message is sent, it'll say it's sent. And then you will have a record of it in your messages. So I can see here, these are some of my messages, and I will have a record of your message. Good luck.